Yo, we back with another video. And today we have another ship out video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today we have a ship out on some 14s. And the 14s are the Air Jordan 14 Last Shot. These pair are so fire, especially for the age. This is a 2005 edition. Suede still intact. The bottoms look like they haven't even been worn. This is one of the best pairs I got. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this process started. So I'm going to go take this to my little station and get it plastic wrapped, and I'll see y'all in a minute. So now that we made it to the station, you got to remember to always wrinkle up your plastic wrap. This will save you at the end. So now I'm going to get the plastic wrap on the shoes, get the perfect cuts like these, and then we're going to get the hair dryer and start this off right. So now since we got this back at the table, I'm going to grab this hair dryer and show you how we do the process. At first it didn't want to form right, and I was like, okay, let me try this again. So when doing this, you got to make sure you don't have it on the highest setting, because if it is, all it's going to do is make a hole in it. And that means you're going to have to rewrap it again. And I'm telling you, you do not want to do that. I'm going to finish up this shoe to make sure we got all the wrinkles out, and then we're going to move on to the next shoe. So since I got this shoe just about right, we're going to move on to the next one and then start the process of getting it in the box. So I'm going to let y'all listen to ASMR on the rest of this, and I'll catch y'all when we get in the ship. And so now it's time for me to find the right size box. I always run into issues with this one. So, boom, we gonna fit this one. Okay. A little sketchy. Gotta go back and get a different one. So I went ahead and went with the Bed Bath & Beyond box. I mean, it doesn't matter because they ain't gonna see it, you know. So I went ahead and put the shoes in the eBay dust bag, the authentication bag, just in case y'all ain't know. And we gonna get this in the box. So that will be it on the video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.